centre console of a Jaguar X308. Centre console I mean by the gear, stick, surround, radio, surround. Relatively simple. There might be many reasons you want to take this out. Clean it up, to change it, to try and get to the radio, whatever. My goal is to change it, because I'm changing all of my broken trims. I don't know if you see that. It's pretty much everyone's mullered like that. Already started, done a video already of how to do the airbag and remove those ones. I just thought I'd show you guys how to remove this. It's very straightforward. This plastic surround just comes off, pries off even with your hands, or get a plastic pry tool underneath it. There you go. Off. 4 7mm nuts to undo. So yeah, we'll get those out with our 4 7mm fixings removed. This bezel here, it holds the switch, just lifts up, off. Have to disconnect that connector. See how I do it one-handed. That'll be a negative. So once you've got those off, get that disconnected. This should just pry out. There we go. Something worth to mention, you can't do it when the vehicle's in park. And if, like me, your batteries are connected, you're going to have to undo that little cover there, get something down in the middle, release the gear stick out the way, boom, bezel off, simple as that. Refitting is an exact reverse of what we just done. You've got to get this little tang. You've got to get that. I guess then there's a little reset. Yeah, there's a little recess just under there. Get that in. One hand is a little bit tricky. Give me a sec. Lovely. Loads better. A little bit worn out, but need it because, like I said, I'm changing all of the trims. Every single one of my trims has got cracks, breaks, and I think that's a nice little upgrade. Goes better with my steering wheel. I'm going to see if I can get a gear stick to match the steering wheel. Yeah, it's going to look much nicer.